IELTS writing task. Environmental impact of logging, written to help you achieve a Band 9 score on the IELTS. The environmental impact of logging. Logging, the process of cutting and harvesting trees, has severe and far-reaching environmental consequences. The removal of forests not only disrupts ecosystems but also contributes to climate change, soil erosion, and the loss of biodiversity. One of the most significant environmental impacts of logging is the loss of biodiversity. Forests are home to a vast array of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else. When forests are cleared, these species are left without habitat, leading to population decline and even extinction. For example, the orangutan, found only in the forests of Indonesia and Malaysia, is threatened by the widespread logging of its habitat. Logging also contributes to climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, storing it in their biomass and soil. When forests are cut down, this stored carbon is released into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. Furthermore, the removal of trees reduces the ability of forests to act as carbon sinks, exacerbating the problem of climate change. In addition to its impact on biodiversity and climate change, logging also causes soil erosion. Tree roots hold soil in place, preventing it from being washed or blown away. When trees are removed, soil is left exposed and vulnerable to erosion. This can lead to the loss of fertile land, increased sedimentation in waterways, and decreased water quality. Finally, logging can have severe social impacts. Indigenous communities often rely on forests for their livelihoods, and the removal of these forests can lead to the displacement of these communities. Furthermore, the economic benefits of logging are often short-term, while the environmental costs are long-term and irreversible. In conclusion, the environmental impact of logging is severe and far-reaching. The loss of biodiversity, contribution to climate change, soil erosion, and social impacts all highlight the need for sustainable forest management practices. Governments, corporations, and individuals must work together to protect the world's forests and ensure their conservation for future generations. Word count, 380. To achieve a Band 9 score on the IELTS, you should 1. Address all parts of the question. 2. Provide a clear and coherent structure. 3. Use a range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. 4. Provide supporting examples and evidence. 5. Demonstrate a high level of control over language.